I am beyond the age of should. Should be smarter, should be better, should be wiser. I'm beyond the age of better. A better writer, a better builder, a better artist, and my favorite, a better human. I'm beyond the age of more. More understanding, more peaceful, more contemplative, and more generous. And I'm beyond the age of need, needing you to like me, needing you to subscribe to my channel, needing you to validate me. And so are you. How do I know? Because you're here. My name is Karen Pearson. Live deliberately. Namaste.